What is this?
Chicken.
What do I do with this?
Nothing, just dip
I
it.
can rip
Dip it.
I want to rip it. I gotta rip that. I do this one. Yeah. It's just...
What? No, more.
More?
Okay, and then now into the egg.
Egg. It's not covered in that.
Just the egg.
It's hard. Mummy, the egg isn't going on.
Huh?
The egg's not going on. Was that enough?
Yes, and now the pancake.
Oh no. No. What do I do now?
Okay, leave it, and then the next one.
Okay. I'm not gonna do that one.
Why not?
It's too big. Also too big. But okay.
Be careful. And dip it.
What is this?
This is corn flour.
No, this. This part.
It's a chicken breast.
No, it isn't.
It is.
Coffee. It's the top.
Okay, then onto the egg.
What's the point of putting flour? I thought the egg just rub it off. I don't know.
And now onto the pancake.
How? There's no room.
Then move the element this to one side.
That's it.
Okay, now ready?
No.
Now we put it in. Hot oil. Just Sienna, stop your breadcrumbs up. And we let that cook.
I can fry my fingers and then after I can get my own chicken. My own chicken on my fingers. No, not chicken. Breadcrumbs on my finger. They're on the go, you know.
Oh my god, look at your fingers.
They're all melted
You only got enough flour there. Yeah, that should be. Exactly why I don't let you in the kitchen. There's flour everywhere. Oh my god, Sienna, turn around.
now.
Look at your face.
I don't know. I don't know what.
How did it get on your nose? How did it get on your nose? Oh my god. Sienna's chicken ball that she made here with her, as she said, her finger tips. Oh, you have to clean your face.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh.
How did you make this?
Out of flour,
Egg.
egg, and breadcrumb. That's it.
is it? It's actually chicken. You actually have chicken pieces in there.
No,
What is
there's
it?
no chicken in there.
Wait, let me get a closer shot. Really, what is it then?
No, flour and egg.
How does it taste?
Just taste like breadcrumbs.